What's up YouTube, my name is Renuri and welcome to the second unboxing in a very short amount of time. Just got the new iPhone, it's 3 months old already, iPhone 11. I had chosen green because I was switching with the old phones between black and white, so black 5S and the silver 6S, the 10 didn't have the color on front, but between 5S and 6S I had the 5C, the also colorful one, and I also had the green one because green is my favorite color and I don't want to have every time black, white, silver, gray things. Here is the green one, it's 64 gigs, totally enough for me. And let's start. Green iPhone slogan, green Apple logo, slogan again, logo again. Device itself always on top, Apple-like, but let's see in a moment. Apple sticker, of course. The greetings, bonjour, hello, hello. SIM tray. Standard stuff. Just 5-watt power adapter. No USB-C, no 18 watts, no fast charging. A bit unfortunate, but okay. Normal earpods with a lightning connector and lightning to USB-A for the power adapter. I'm thinking about getting the same cable that is inside the 11 Pro models, that is lightning to USB-C, to use my 18-watt iPad 11-inch Pro power adapter, which is USB-C to C, but I could also use the power adapter from it if I had the correct cable, USB-C to Lightning. I think about getting it, but we will see. I also got a wireless charging pad. It has 10 watt, if I'm not mistaken, 10, 15. Which is definitely also faster than this one. Maybe it's enough for me. I have to test things out. So, to the device itself. Oh, there's the slogan on here, Apple Inc. 1 Apple Parkway, Cupertino, California, 95014 USA. That's new. I've never seen it before. Does the 10S had it as well? I don't think so. Some new additions here. Oh yeah, I noticed already it's only on the front, the folio thing on the 11 now. On the 11 Pro I don't know exactly. I really like the color. But on the 11 Pro, the forest green, it's in German, I don't know if it's in English, official forest green. I like it more than this green here. I think the forest green is the best color an iPhone ever had. Wow. When I saw the keynote I was wow. Not from that world. But yes, so that's it. We got all here. I'm switching from 10 to 11. I'm always skipping one generation. Let's see us at least in 2 years for the next iPhone unboxing. I didn't make an unboxing for the 10 back in the days. I don't know why. Maybe I hadn't the intention. I don't know. Don't ask me. But here it is, a new iPhone unboxing. Thank you for watching guys, see you next time, bye bye.